Took so long to find a shape, to understand what I had in my hand. In this time, in this day, in this minute, in this present moment, try to be in this, like everyone is in this, for a little bit, for a little bit, for a little bit. Still don't know how to really accept the rules of living, the law of this world. In this rhythm, in this sound, in this tune, in this feeling, try to be in this, like everyone is in this, for a little bit, for a little bit, for a little bit. All what mattered was on the opposite. It was a good frame in the pouring rain. In this body, in this mind, in this space, in this side, try to be in this, like everyone is in this, for a little bit, for a little bit, for a little bit. Now is my only longing, longing to fully be in this connection, in this breath, in this touch, in this desire.